beautiful day. The sun is shining. The birds are singing. The bugs are buzzing.
More like biting. Why are we spending our weekend giving the mosquitoes an all-you-can-eat buffet when we could be indoors at the mall with air conditioning shopping? Sophie, I love shopping just as much as you do, but my wallet needs a break.
And sitting right here is free.
Woo, that was fun. Anybody ready to have lunch?
Yes, at the mall. Since we're here, we might as well do a little shopping.
Okay, I'm out.
Well, I guess it's just us girls. They've restocked. I can smell it. Faux fur, pleather, polyester. Look at this. Carmen, you have to try this on. It's so you. I don't know, Sophie. This doesn't really look like me. Oh, would you just go try it on? Shopping is no fun without a dressing room fashion show. And Chloe, this one's for you.
What?
And I'll try on all of these. Okay, give me your honest opinion. What do you think about this? The blue fur is giving me some Care Bear vibes, but you know, I'm okay with that.
Sophie, that's $75.
I know. I can just call Mom and Dad. Mom and Dad make way more than $75. Hello, Mom? I want to know if I can borrow some money. Chloe, there's something wrong with Mom.
What is it, Sophie?
She said no and told me to get a job. Sophie, you poor thing. Good thing my parents have never done that to me, 'cause I never overspend my allowance. Thanks, Carmen.
I think a job will be good for you, Sophie, so you can learn the value of $1.
I know the value of $1, Chloe. I need 75 of them to buy this dress.
That's not what I meant. I'm sorry. I couldn't help but overhear a conversation. You girls want a job?
Yes. I'm not with her.
Great. You can start today. But first, you ladies need to change out of the merchandise.
Oh yeah, right. Carmen! I'm not going to work, Sophie. No, you gotta change out of that shirt. Besides, if working is good for me, it'll definitely be good for you. No!
Okay, you can straighten the racks. Yes, ma'am. Carmen, you got the makeup counter.
Oh, so I just gotta stand here and sell makeup?
Yeah, that's pretty much it. But remember to smile. Good customer service is key.
Now, what job do you have for me? Jewelry counter? Model? Store manager?
Let's start out with the dressing room. You gotta take all these clothes, put them on hangers, and put them back on the racks.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'll have this done in no time and make manager by the end of the day. Take the clothes from the dressing room, put them on the hanger, then hang it on the rack. If I knew working was this easy, I would have done it a long time ago. Absolutely, darling. I'm at the mall. I just have to pick up something for the gala tonight. And here is the last shirt from the dressing room. It's all clean. Just a second, darling. I see something that is absolutely adorable. Can I try on that top? No. I just cleaned the dressing room. Nobody is going in there until after my shift is over. Excuse me?
Sophie, that is what the dressing room is for.
But she's going to mess it up.
Then you just have to clean it back up.
Fine. Right this way, ma'am. I'll get a room started for you. Oh, just one moment. I found a few more things. What? Here. Can you put all of this in my dressing room? You have got to be kidding.
You are going to look lovely at your gala.
Thank you. It's always a joy to shop here. And I have another event tomorrow, so you know I'll be back.
Fabulous. Thank you. Great work, girls. Your shift is over. Here are your paychecks. $80? Wow, that's going in my new English saddle fund.
Not bad for a hard day's work. Wait, aren't we missing a few zeros here? $80? That's it? I worked all day. If I buy the dress, I'll hardly have anything left over. I don't know if that's worth it.
So, are you gonna buy that dress?
No, I think I'm gonna save my money. Wow, I can't believe I'm saying that. But if I do, and I keep working, then I can buy that $500 purse later. Did she learn her lesson?
I think so, in her own way.
Come on, y'all. I just heard there are free cookie samples in the food court. That means we don't have to spend any money. We want to give a shout out to Cupcake Candy. What's up? Hi. You know how the food court was giving out free cookie samples? Well, I was wondering if you are going to give out free clothing samples.
No, Sophie.